Hello everyone and welcome to EduTap and welcome to today's general awareness session, and we are on day 15 of October 2021. So these will be the topics which we'll be covering today. We'll be talking about the Uber Cup, the Earthshot Prize winner, IMF Chief Geeta Gopinath, and 3 days in news. So these will be the topics for today's session. I hope you all are excited and doing well. So let's get started with the session. And guys, before that, I would like to request you all to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and press the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. And guys, join our Telegram channel, link for which is in the description box below. Through the Telegram channel, you'll be getting the PDF for today's session. And today is the last date to avail 40% plus 10% off on our courses. Use code EDT10 on our website to avail the discount. So let's get started with the session, guys. The first question is that recently which among the following countries has won the Uber Cup 2021? The options are Spain, China, Japan, India or Indonesia. The right answer is China. So China has won the Uber Cup 2021, defeating Japan in the finals, and Japan was also the defending champion. That means Japan won the previous edition of Uber Cup. So do remember, China has won this year, defeating previous year's defending champion, that is Japan. So China won the Uber Cup 2021, defeating defending champions Japan in the Uber Cup 2021 final. Along with that, an important fact, this is the 15th time China has won the competition. So do remember this, since this is a big number. China has won the Uber Cup for 15th time. So I hope this is clear and we can move to the next topic, that is Takacher has won the Prince William's Earthshot Prize. Takacher is a dash project. The options are agri waste recycling, solar powered ironing cart, smoke emission reduction, plastic waste reduction, or none of the above. So we are talking about Prince William's Earthshot Prize winner Takacher, and we are asked that it is a project related to which of the following. The right answer is agri waste recycling project. So Vidyut Mohan led, that means Takacher was a project led by Vidyut Mohan. So Takacher has been named the winner of Prince William's Earthshot Prize, a £1 million prize, that is Prince William's Earthshot Prize. So who is the winner of Prince William's Earthshot Prize? Takacher. It won for its cheap technology innovation to convert crop residues into sellable bioproducts. That means that the agricultural wastes could be converted into bioproducts by a cheap technology which could further be sold in the market. So that is why they have won the project. Hence we are basically recycling the agricultural waste, and hence it has won the project. Guys, an additional information, it was in the final competition with the solar powered ironing cart. So they both were on a tough competition, but in the end agri waste recycling project, Takacher, was named the winner of the Prince William's Earthshot Prize. So do remember that the name of the project was Takacher, and it focused on agricultural waste recycling. So I hope this is clear and we can move to the next topic, that is IMF chief economist Geeta Gopinath has decided to leave her job and return to Harvard. Where are the headquarters of IMF? IMF is the International Monetary Fund. The options are Washington, New York, Geneva, Baku or Dubai. The right answer is Washington. So now the news is that International Monetary Fund's chief economist Geeta Gopinath has decided to leave her job in January and return to the Harvard University. Right. Now, why is this so important? Well, she is the first women chief economist of the IMF, and Where does she belong from? Well, she belongs from Mysuru. So guys, these are some important facts which make this news really, really important. And a Mysuru based economist, Geeta Gopinath, who is the first woman chief economist of IMF, has decided to go back to Harvard and leave IMF, that is International Monetary Fund. So guys, do remember, name Geeta Gopinath, leaving from International Monetary Fund as its chief economist, first woman chief economist of IMF, and going back to Harvard University. So I hope this is clear, and we can move to the next topic, that is World Food Day is marked on which of the following dates. Now next three topics will be days in news, so we'll be covering their dates and theme if there is any theme related to that date. So World Food Day is marked on which of the following dates? The options are 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th or 18th of October. The right answer is 16th October. So World Food Day is celebrated all over the world on October 16. It is an initiative by Food and Agricultural Organization of United Nations. What can you basically try to remember from this day is the date. World Food Day is marked on October 16. Next we have International Day for Eradication of Poverty is marked on which of the following dates? The options are 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th or 18th of October. Well, the right answer is 17th of October. So International Day for Eradication of Poverty is observed every year on October 17. It aims to raise awareness about people living in poverty. Okay, and the theme for 2021, well, we'll have to remember the date and the theme for this day, that is International Day for Eradication of Poverty. The theme is building forward together, ending persistence poverty, respecting all people and our planet. So I think it's a very well themed day. So what are we trying to convey? What is the message that we're trying to give? That we have to end poverty, that is still persistence in our society, and we have to respect all people whether or not they are living in poverty. Basically, people living in poverty also deserve our respect along with our planet. So I hope this is clear. Do remember the theme, the date is 17th October, and the theme is building forward together, ending persistence poverty, respecting all people and our planet. The day is International Day for Eradication of Poverty. So moving on, next we have World Trauma Day has been marked on which of the following dates? The options are 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th or 18th of October. The right answer again is 17th of October. So World Trauma Day is celebrated on 17th October, highlighting the increased rate of accidents and injuries causing death and disability across the world and the need to prevent them. So basically, trauma is a situation where someone has gone through a bad accident, and to mark that day, to signify that we need to prevent accidents and the disabilities and the deaths caused by those accidents, we mark World Trauma Day on 17th October. So I hope this is clear, guys. So we have discussed 3 days: World Trauma Day, World Food Day and International Day for Eradication of Poverty. So I hope this is clear, and this was it for today's session. Thank you very much for joining in. Signing off, Devanshu Gupta.